previous class we have learned how hydrogen is made from what? How is hydrogen manufactured? In the first process. And? गलत.
ऑक्सीजन नहीं ऑक्सीजन.
गलत. कुछ पढ़ के नहीं आता.
एटमॉस्फेयर.
कुछ भी बोल रहे हो क्या?
अरे बता रहा हूँ आपने.
गलत. बोलो. Zn or Mg with? Zn or Mg with what? H2SO4. That is the reaction. What is the reaction? What is the complete reaction? The reaction. So the reaction for that is, the first thing that we learned, the manufacturing of hydrogen, we did it by, just remember, say the reaction of Zn with H2SO4 or HCl. When the reaction of Zn takes place with HCl, the products are देख लो अभी. ZnO कुछ भी बोलते हैं. Zn2 plus H2 gas is liberated. And when the reaction is with H2SO4, then we will get Zn plus H2 gas will be liberated. Today we will do another process. See, in your textbook you might have the electrolysis of water process also. Electrolysis of water is not there in your school. ये बात. हाँ, इधर लिखा भी होगा शायद. देखो, out of school, not in syllabus. All right. So the process that we are going to learn, this was the first process. The second process that we are going to learn, इधर देख लो ना, उसको क्यों देख रहे हो? Wash process. What is the name of the process? Wash process. Wash is the name of a scientist. What he did was, this is a very important part of your production because wash process से बहुत questions आते हैं. ठीक है? This is fairly simpler. Wash process is a little more complex. So in wash process, the reaction happens in 2 steps. How many steps are involved? Here it was 1 step or not? एक ही step में हो जा रहा था. Now the reaction will happen in 2 steps. The first step is manufacturing of water gas. What is the first step?
वाटर गैस OH होता है ना?
Water बिल्कुल गलत. OH, that is hydroxide. Water gas is carbon monoxide plus H2. This is called as water gas. What is this called? Water gas जब भी हम बोलते हैं, इसका मतलब है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज along with हाइड्रोजन गैस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम लोग पहले वाटर गैस बनाना है. वाटर गैस बनाने के बाद उसको स्टीम के साथ प्रोसेस जब भी करेंगे, वी गेट हाइड्रोजन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल मैन्युफैक्चर. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ वाटर गैस. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड बनाना है तो कार्बन तो चाहिए. कार्बन विल रिएक्ट विद वाटर. That is in steam form. मतलब it will be over 100 degree Celsius. Steam है तो this is also going to be hot. C is called as coke. You know this much? ये पता है आपको? C को coke बोलते हैं. Coke, कार्बन को coke बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So hot coke plus steam will give me at 1000 degree Celsius will give me water gas and what is delta? Heat. Water gas is formed. See, steam is passed over. क्या हुआ बेटा? कितनी लग रहा है तुमको? Water is or steam is passed over hot coke at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius to get water gas, and this is the way we are producing water gas. Now this water gas we will take. इसको हमेशा ब्रैकेट में लिखा करो, ये साथ में रखो. ठीक है? Water gas, another molecule of steam. Second molecule of steam. First molecule of steam से water gas बना. Carbon reacted with the first molecule of water and made water gas. Water gas reacted with the second molecule of water. In the presence, very important. This temperature is 450 degrees Celsius. Temperature कम हुआ अभी 450 degrees Celsius. In the presence of Fe2O3. So can I say this is my catalyst? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. This will give me carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of hydrogen and it will liberate heat. So these are your 2 reactions involved. First we make water gas from hot coke and steam at 1000 degrees Celsius. Then that water gas reacts with water, again another molecule of steam at 450 degrees Celsius in the presence of a catalyst which is ferric oxide and gives me carbon dioxide and 2 molecules
मैम
of...
अगर Fe2O3 ले लिया तो
स्लो होगा रिएक्शन, टेम्परेचर बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. दिस इज अ ऑप्टिमल कंडीशन. 450 में कैटलिस्ट. अंडरस्टूड?
अगर नहीं लिखा तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
मार्क्स कटेगा. आप टेम्परेचर कैसे बढ़ाओगे? आप साइंटिस्ट हो, आपको पता है कितना बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. हाँ, करोगे जो जिस दिन उसके बाद. ओके, नाउ so both the processes are clear to you. Now we have again, remember in my previous process we had phosphine, arsine, water vapor. These were all my impurities or not? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इसमें भी देखो एक इम्प्योरिटी है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इम्प्योरिटी है कि नहीं? तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैसे हम लोग, अच्छा सेपरेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. So we will have to remove the impurities. Let us see what are the impurities that we are going to consider. Now this is my impurities. देखो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अगर है तो what are the impurities? देखो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड भी बना है कि नहीं? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड भी थोड़ा ट्रेसेस में रहेगा. So impurities are carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Is this clear? समझ में आया? Carbon monoxide, separation of carbon dioxide. Hydrogen can be separated from a mixture of carbon dioxide by the following steps. The mixture CO2 plus H2. यही बनाया ना मेरा प्रोडक्ट? This is passed. This is forced through cold water under the pressure of 30 atmosphere. How do we treat it? Cold water, and what is the pressure? How much? What is the pressure? 30 atmosphere. मतलब समझ में आ रहा है कितना ज़्यादा है प्रेशर? 30 into 760 mm of H. ठीक है? So ये कंडीशंस में मुझे इसको पास करना है. Once this is done, what happens is this is which dissolves the more soluble carbon dioxide and leaves behind the less soluble hydrogen. अभी ये दोनों का mixture I have passed it through water at under pressure of 30 atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in water, very soluble in water. देखो तो aerated drinks जो आप लोग पीते हो, कोको कोला, मिरिंडा, फैंटा, स्प्राइट, उसमें बबल्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ही होते हैं. It is highly miscible in water. Miscible मतलब पता है ना, मिक्स होते हैं. So CO2 is more soluble in water and H2 is sparingly soluble. Sparingly मतलब क्या, बहुत कम soluble है. So can I say by mixing it in water I will be able to separate it? Easy physical process. Pass the mixture now. Leaves behind hydrogen. Hydrogen बच गया मेरे पास. Hydrogen ज़्यादा mix नहीं हुआ. Pass the mixture of CO2 and H2 through caustic potash solution. This is the first way of removing it. But why do we not use this? Because some of the soluble H2 will be lost. जो जितना amount of H2 soluble है पानी में, that will be lost or not. So can I say this is 100% H2 पूरा मिल जाएगा हम लोगों को? नहीं मिलेगा. Are you understanding? Some of it which is soluble in water will be gone. So the second method of doing this is CO2 plus H2 को we will react it now through a caustic potash solution. What do? We pass CO2 and H2 in the presence of caustic potash. Caustic मतलब OH, potash मतलब K. Caustic soda, soda मतलब Na, caustic मतलब OH. So caustic soda will be NaOH, caustic potash will be KOH. Now hydrogen के साथ ये react नहीं करता है. So it will only react with carbon dioxide, and after reacting with carbon dioxide, it will give me what is this? Potassium carbonate, and it will give me water. अब समझ में आया? And so this can be removed or not? It will only react with the CO2. Hydrogen can be separated immediately. I don't care what is formed. I don't care. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. They might ask, what happens when caustic potash reacts with CO2? ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं. Or you can say what is the chemical process by which hydrogen can be separated from CO2? So can I say hydrogen can be physically separated by passing through cold water at 30 atmosphere? Physically, and chemically it is done by reacting the mixture with KOH or caustic potash.
पर यहाँ पे तो H2O बनता है.
बट देखो, अरे हाइड्रोजन के साथ तो रिएक्ट ही नहीं किया, हाइड्रोजन सेपरेट हो गया कि नहीं? अगर मेरे पास दो मिक्स सब्सटेंसेस है और एक चीज किसी एक के साथ ही रिएक्ट करता है तो दूसरा तो रह गया ना उधर के उधर ही।
मान तो प्रोडक्ट में H2 ही आएगा ना,
H2O बनेगा प्रोडक्ट में। और
H2O में से तो H को निकालना
ऐसे नहीं निकालना पड़ेगा। सुनो, I have a mixture of A and B and I introduce a second substance C. Okay, I have A, I have B and C के साथ only B reacts. So can I say A will be left behind? Whatever is formed between these two is a secondary concern. But मुझे तो A चाहिए ना, A मिल गया कि नहीं मुझे? एक रिएक्ट कर गया अगर दूसरे के साथ तो ये बच गया कि नहीं? A मेरा, ये A मेरा हाइड्रोजन। Now did you understand? Did you understand now? Clear? So this is the, now this is what we have done. We have separated the first impurity. What is the second impurity? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is now very important reaction है, बहुत आता है ये एग्जाम में. The mixture of water gas and steam in step 2. ये है ना वो step 2, ये है कि नहीं step 2? देखो ये वाला step 2 है कि नहीं मेरा वॉश प्रोसेस का? सो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड कैसे निकलता है? स्टेप 2 में ही कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड डिसअपीयर कर जाता है कि नहीं? स्टेप 2 के बाद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बन गया कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। सो मुझे निकालना है तो मुझे स्टेप 2 से ही निकालना पड़ेगा, स्टेप 3 में तो है ही नहीं कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। सो इन स्टेप 2 द मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर गैस and steam in step 2 is passed through ammonical. Now ammonical मतलब क्या? अमोनिया है उसमें, अमोनिया है उसमें, ठीक है? What is it passed through? Very important question. Ammonical cuprous chloride. ये एग्जाम पे मान के चलो अगली बात। Ammonical cuprous chloride मतलब cuprous chloride होता है CuCl, cuprous chloride CuCl, cupric chloride CuCl2, cuprous chloride है CuCl, मार्क करो बुक में, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। Ammonical cuprous chloride मतलब इसमें अमोनिया इन्वॉल्व है, ठीक है? कभी कभी हम लिखते हैं एसिडिफाइड cuprous chloride, उसमें एसिड है कोई, क्यों होता है वो आप लोग कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स जब भी आपने सीखा है ना, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स को ब्रेक करने के लिए, so that the reaction becomes faster. You can say the ammonia here acts like a catalyst, but it's not actually a catalyst. हम लोग जब भी वाटर का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करते हैं ना, we always use acidulated water. Do you know this? Why do we use acidulated water? Because acid breaks the bond of H and OH in water and helps the reaction. Similarly, CuCl का bond break करने के लिए ये अमोनिया बहुत काम में आता है. That's why we use ammonical cuprous chloride. What do we do? This mixture is already at this temperature. This catalyst is passed also through ammonical CuCl. Will you be able to remember this? What happens? CuCl ammonical only reacts with carbon monoxide and water. What does it react with? Carbon monoxide and water. मतलब कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड गया, वाटर भी गया, बचेगा मेरे पास ये और ये, और इसको तो मैंने निकाल दिया। So सारे impurities चले गए कि नहीं हमारे? Do you agree with me? So what happens in this reaction? बनता है CuCl dot CO dot 2H2O. Now this is basically a combined form. What is this? Combined form. आपको इसका और कुछ इसके बारे में जानने की जरूरत नहीं, ठीक है? All you have to know is the formula for this, and you have to know that this is ammonical in nature. इतना याद रख पाओगे? This is how carbon monoxide is removed. Carbon monoxide is removed in the second step. Carbon dioxide is removed in the last. Clear? Okay. We are done with the preparation. Electrolysis is not there in your portion.